Welcome. This is a 10-minute guided meditation, perfect for beginners. Find a comfortable position. You can sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Or lie down on your back, arms gently resting by your sides. Allow your body to settle. No need to hold any tension. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. And bring your full attention to your breath. You don't need to change your breathing in any way. Just notice the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales. Feel the gentle rise of your chest and abdomen as you breathe in. And the soft fall as you breathe out. Follow the breath as it enters your body and as it leaves. Each breath is an anchor, connecting you to the present moment. You might notice thoughts arising in your mind. That's perfectly normal. Meditation isn't about stopping your thoughts. It's about learning to observe them without judgment. When you notice your mind wandering, gently acknowledge the thought, and then gently redirect your attention back to your breath. Like a gentle return home. Inhale. Exhale. Allow yourself to simply be with your breath. There's nothing else you need to do right now. Just this gentle awareness of breathing in and breathing out. Now, let's expand our awareness slightly. Notice any sensations in your body. Perhaps the feeling of your clothes against your skin. The temperature of the air around you. Any areas of comfort or discomfort. Simply observe these sensations without trying to change them. Just like the thoughts, acknowledge them and return to your anchor. your breath. Inhale. Exhale. We have been meditating for a few minutes now. Notice how you feel. Perhaps a sense of calm is beginning to settle. Or maybe your mind is still active. Whatever you are experiencing is okay. There is no right or wrong way to meditate. Continue to breathe gently and naturally, knowing that you are taking this time for yourself. To find a moment of stillness and peace. Inhale. Exhale. As we approach the end of our meditation, become aware of the sounds around you. Notice the room you are in. And when you feel ready, gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly bring movement back into your body. If your eyes are closed, you can gently flutter them open. Take a moment to carry this feeling of calm with you. Thank you for meditating with us. If you found peace today, please give this video a like. For more guided meditations and deeper tranquility, subscribe to our channel and activate the bell. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.